God gave us mothers to show us the way. He gave us someone who would love us always. God gave us mothers as angels here on earth, someone to care for us and to raise us from birth. God gave us mothers, just people like us, yet in their mistakes, they teach us through love. God gave us mothers as intermediaries for Him, someone to pray for us, to keep us from sin. God gave us mothers to keep us from harm, to feed us and grow us, to teach us right from wrong. God gave us mothers to guide us through the world, someone to remind us of our infinite worth. God gave us mothers, and while not all are the same, be thankful for your mother, because she'll be gone one day. Happy Mother's Day, everyone. I hope you have a very special day celebrating your mom.